Here's a little addendum video to the Pioneer turntable restoration that I did a couple months ago. This is the 115D that I got from a thrift store for like 15 bucks. As I ended that restoration video, I hadn't polished up the dust cover yet. So I used these Novus products. There may be other things you can use, but these aren't too expensive. They come in 3 different grits, 1, 2, and 3. And had pretty good luck with those, kind of cleaning up any kind of scratches in turntable dust covers. They seem to do a pretty good job. Of course, didn't fix that crack bad in the back, but that hasn't gotten any worse, so I think I'm okay there. One other thing I wanted to show too is when you use your cell phone app to check out the speed and wow, flutter and stuff like that with your turntable, I have found that the best way to do that is to get it right on center. But with the spindle there, your cell phone's not going to stay there. If you place it off to the side here, the weight of the cell phone actually affects the speed and the wow of the turntable. So what I did, got a little piece of wood here, a 1x4 or something. Just cut it off about the same size as my cell phone, drilled a hole in the back, right dead center, so that it'll set over top of the spindle unless your cell phone's set flat, and do your testing. So we'll do a little demonstration here and show how that works. Alright, so we got the piece of wood with the hole in it, kind of centered on the turntable. Get your smartphone sitting in the middle. Hit start. It says start your turntable. So this is where it's waiting for it to get up to speed. It does its measuring thing, averaging over this period of time, whatever it is, 20 seconds or so. And that gives you a little report. Turn off the turntable. You see it's 33.34, so it's just slightly fast by 0.02%. And the wow is 0.20%. Let's try it again without the wood thing. Yeah, that's about as close as we can get to being centered. Now with it just sitting off the spindle. Try again. It's measuring. Okay, now this time we got slightly slow, 33.29, and the wow has gone up to 0.4% instead of 0.2. And the further off you get away from the spindle, the more it throws off your turntable. Because it's trying to move that weight, accelerate and decelerate, and it's off axis. So these measurements seem to get worse and worse. So if you want accurate results, you can build yourself a little piece of wood, like what I got there, and put it right in the center. So now we're 33.22. And the wow is 0.35, close to what it was before. So, one more test with this, just to make sure that one wasn't a fluke. We'll put the piece of wood back. Set, start. Alright, and back to 33.34 and a wow of 0.23%, so close to what we had before. So if you want accurate results on your smartphone RPM measurement, app. Make yourself a little piece of wood that covers the spindle so that you can get the cell phone directly centered.